What's good, you? Oh, it's your boy Adonovan, Adonis, whatever you want to call me. I'm back with another vid, and I'm gonna show y'all boys how to stop vocal peaking when recording. And let's get right into it. Step one, bro, look down at your interface. And if you got your shit turned all the way to the right, I'm talking about all the way to the right to where the point you can't even see it when you look straight down, I'm gonna need you to instantly fix that. I'm gonna need you to instantly fix that shit. I'm gonna need you to put your shit dead center in the middle and tweak it to the right by 2 to 3 inches. You don't have to move that shit all the way to the right. You need to be able to see that white dot on your interface, bro. I promise you it. And this is the reason why I say this. So let's come to FL. Let's get into FL. Let me show you why. So we in FL, right? We in FL. You see this? You see FL? Okay. So this is my Dropbox in FL by itself. Fine. Perfect. You know, no peak, no nothing. Until I get loud like this. Until I get too close to the mic. Back up off the mic. You can get close, but like don't have your lip on the fucking mic. I promise you don't have to have your lip on the mic. All right. Now that you got your fucking lip off the mic, nigga, turn that shit down. Turn the mic down. If it's still peaking and too loud, turn it down. That's an obvious sign you need to turn it down. So look. I'm gonna turn my shit down with y'all. I'm gonna turn my shit down. All right. So now look. Now this waveform is hidden right here in the middle. It's not going out too much. It's fine. And it's hidden on like a 12 right here, like a 12 right here in the dBs. So now we're gonna put the preset on, right? All right. Now I got the preset on. You see, I can get as loud as I want. And I'm close to my mic, but my mouth not on the mic. See, look, now my mouth on the mic. Stop recording like that. Back up. Now look, that's perfectly fine. And then also, if you want it to be louder, you can just tweak the compressor. At least it's not fucking with your how loud your mic is and your mic quality. You can always fix the compressor. You can always make it louder and quieter. But you can't go back and fix a waveform unless you want to go back and re-record the whole thing. You see what I'm saying? So let your compressor handle how loud your vocals is. Fix shit with your EQ. Don't think recording quieter makes recording quieter takes away all that the harshness and shit. You still got an EQ once you make your shit loud. Once you compress it and make it louder, it's still gonna have the same noise, the same everything. It's just gonna be harder to make the shit actually fit over the beat. Nigga, record with a wavelength, like your wavelength should look like this, bro. Centered. Nothing too loud, nothing too loud, nothing too low. You know what I'm saying? Nothing this skinny, nothing this loud. You know what I'm saying? It should just be like smack dead in the middle. And it's okay to have the occasional peak, because especially if you're in an untreated room, like that's just occasional. And also if you pronounce your S's and stuff like that hard, of course you're gonna have like the occasional, you know, or a sound. Even your fucking de-esser probably can fix it, because that's just how certain people talk. Like I know I talk like hard S's, hard T's. I mean, my de-esser, it works sometimes, but sometimes I just can't fix it, even if I record the shit over and over. It's just based off accent, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. That's how you record, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Peace out.